What is the most common blood group in the Philippines? Well, I'm curious about that too, so keep your eyes on your screen to find out. The most common blood type in the Philippines is blood group O, followed by A, then B, and AB. And more than 99% of Filipinos are Rh positive. Now, let's make this more interesting by making a connection between the most common blood type and Filipinos' personalities. Even if there is no scientifically proven correlation, in Japan, there is a popular belief that you can predict a person's personality through his or her blood type. Filipinos don't usually believe this, but let's see if there's some truth in this theory. According to what is said about people with blood type O, they are agreeable, sociable, optimistic, but also rude, arrogant, and jealous. Generally, Filipinos can have these qualities, but not all. We can have an agreeable attitude because we don't usually insist our opinion. That's because we prefer having unity, especially in a group. What about being optimistic? Filipinos are also known for the bahala na or may bukas pa attitudes. These are expressions that we use to say that there's still hope. Sociable? We can be friendly, and I think Filipinos can make friends with anyone, anywhere. We are not known for being aloof or introverted. What about the negative traits like being jealous, rude, and arrogant? We can be jealous like many when we are in a relationship, and rudeness and arrogance can be observed in our normal day-to-day activities like waiting in line, or when we do not accept that we are wrong, which can be observed or seen in our Philippine politics. These are just some examples that can be used to make a connection between the most common blood type O traits and the known Filipino personalities. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you and have a great day.